All right, we have another lunch with our leftover cracked chicken. I put this in the microwave so it's nice and hot now. We're gonna make cracked chicken quesadillas. We're gonna add some fresh jalapenos to it. We're gonna use pepper jack cheese and Mexican cheese, and then we're gonna add some real bacon to it also. So go ahead. Remember, don't spray this when the stove's on. You can cause a fire. All right, so we got that on. Put it on. Let it get nice and hot. Let's take out one of our tortillas. This is a nice 8-inch tortilla. Makes a nice quesadilla. Sometimes I'll cook one up and then put another one and make a huge quesadilla, but I'm just gonna fold it over and make it like that. We want to make sure there's plenty of butter on here, because I like my quesadillas buttery. That spray was butter, got butter flavored spray also. All right, so here we go. This is ready for a tortilla. So let's put the tortilla on there. Get rid of this. Oh wait, open this up while I'm waiting. All right, I think that's ready. So I'm gonna get my butter ready. One side's nice and buttery and browned. Put some butter, more butter down. All right, look at that. That's exactly what I want. I can turn this down to low now. I'm gonna add my pepper jack cheese. I'm gonna add my Mexican cheese. Of course, there's already some Monterey Jack in here. We got Monterey Jack, asadero, queso quesadilla, and fancy cheddar cheese. All right, want a nice layer of this. This is going to melt up real nice. This Mexican cheese is shredded real fine. All right, we're going to add some bacon first. All right. Like I said, I love bacon bits. I love bacon bits. I'm just going to put some bacon bits down. There's already bacon bits in the cracked chicken, you remember. But it's always nice whenever we're making something like this to have fresh bacon bits. Alright? And then I'm going to put some jalapenos. I'm going to put these jalapenos all over the place. Alright. Want them nice, spread out nice so I get some jalapenos in here. And I love fresh jalapenos. You know, I could have sweat these down on the grill first. You know, sweat them up and put them on. But I love them. I love them fresh like that. All right, so now we just put on our cracked chicken. So I'm gonna put cracked chicken just on half of it. I'm gonna try and spread it out so it's not too thick. Once again, this is kind of like my grilled cheese sandwich I had yesterday. And just smooth it over, just on half. All right, that's good. All right, looks good. We fold it now. Woo! Some of the jalapenos fell out. And then we flip it. Oh, there we go. Now we just want to, it's close to low. It's not on low, it's close to low. We want to flatten it out. We want this nice color. So this side could use a little more color, so we'll close that up, put that over there. You can see I'm losing some of this stuff, but that's fine. That is fine with me. Get myself a plate. Alright, that should be good. And put this on here. And then we give it a nice cut. Over. Cut it like this. If you want, you could throw a little sour cream on top of this. or if you happen to have like you know, French onion chip dip, or some chip dip that you like a lot that's close to it, even ranch chip dip, you can put that on top, but it's good just the way it is. Let's take a look at it. Oh, look at the cheese all coming out of here. Oh, this is fantastic. Definitely, if you have cracked chicken, quesadillas, way to go. They're so good.